premium selected Kung Fu Seabass. Delicate shape from cutting in advance. The real Kung Fu is displayed in the visible details. When cooking, wash the defrosted seabass clean and drain the excessive water. Lay the chopped ginger and chives in the plate with the fish. When the water is boiling, steam the dish for 10 minutes. Take the dish out, remove the chopped ginger and chives, then pour the steaming water. Lay some ginger and chive slices on the fish, pour 392 degrees Fahrenheit hot oil on it. Then drizzle some seasoned seafood soy sauce. There you have your Kung Fu Seabass. The Kung Fu Seabass is easy to cook and in a distinguished appearance. The fish tastes tender and smells wonderful. Just dip into the sauce and enjoy every bite of freshness. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime anywhere.